Hello, I'm John Butler, Course Director of Hypnotherapy Training International. We're running our next advanced hypnosis training class on the 26th and 27th of May in Köln in Germany. This is a highly interactive, in-depth training that gives you an awful lot of personal attention in teaching you the skills and concepts of advanced hypnosis. You'll learn the very best hypnosis interventions for helping you in your work, whether you're a therapist or a coach. You will learn to use the very best methods to give your clients the very best hypnosis experience. And you learn the very best methods and strategies to give them the very best therapeutic outcomes. So they will be referring other people to you and building your practice for you. On this course, you'll be learning from me with several decades of intensive experience with clinical problems, from the most serious medical and most serious emotional behavioral problems to all kinds of work for performance enhancement with celebrities and high-achieving performers in many fields. I have several decades of training experience behind me, and if you're interested in learning hypnosis at an advanced level to take your skills to a higher level of effectiveness, I look forward to seeing you on the 26th and 27th of May.